The complex number z is given as below. Find the modulus and the argument of the z. So first of all, we simplify this complex number. As you can see, cos pi over 3, sin pi over 3, all these can be valued out. So press the calculator with the mode radian to evaluate these trigo. So find out what is the value. So cos pi over 3, it will give you 1 over 2. Sin pi over 3, it will get you 3 over 2. So now you can get your complex number in standard form with the value. So cos pi over 4, it will give you 2 over 2. Sin pi over 4, it will give you 2 over 2 also. Alright, so we can see our complex number is in division. You can see conjugate at here. Then what can we do now is multiply with its conjugate. So before you multiply with its conjugate, we can see fraction over fraction. Maybe we can simplify here. So when you get same to the denominator, 2 is supposed to be 2 minus 3i. Then divide with another complex number here, which is get same to the denominator, 2 plus 2i. And inverse it. So 2 can be simplified, which means that this is your complex number in the simplest form. So this one, 2, 3, 6. So 2, 3, 6. 6. We can still factorize the 2. 1 minus 3. 2. So 2 can be simplified. The simplest form of the value with 1 minus 3i over the denominator, it will be 1 plus I. So still have the complex number in division. Therefore, we multiply with its conjugate to simplify this division of complex number. So complex conjugate with its complex number with its conjugate, it will be a squared plus b squared. So a is 1 square, b is 1 square. Then for numerator, we expand here. And I squared, we can simplify it to be negative 1. So finally, the real part will be 1 minus 3 over real number 2. Imaginary part, it will be, take out the negative, will be 1 plus 3 over 2i. Then we're going to find out what is the modulus of the z. So modulus of the z will be a squared plus b squared square root. So this is your a. This is your b. We just need to press the calculator to get the simplest form. We get 2. Then when we move on to argument, argument means the angle made by the complex number in the Argand diagram. So we can see, we plot the Argand diagram. As you can see, this is negative value. And this complex number also negative value. So means our complex number is, this is real, this is imaginary. So our complex number is 4 on quadrant 3 for the argument of this complex number that fall on quadrant 3, it will be negative pi minus alpha. So for the alpha, it will be shift tangent B over A without negative. Alright, without negative. For this and this, they are positive value without negative because we want to find out the basic angle. Okay, this alpha is represent the basic angle, so we won't take the negative. Then you set your calculator mode into the radian, then you can get this answer.